I need these seats. Kind of had all eyes on us when we pulled up. This thing looks absolutely crazy, dog. So it's not the turbo.
No, turbo's alright. I don't think so. Wiggle.
Just know if you ever want to sell those seats, you know.
Some extra ones, but I can't sell them.
Oh boy. Here's the part that sucks. Oh shoot, I gotta take that off this windshield. It's 6 a.m. and I have to start this car. I'm running late just as I said I would in the last video. I don't have time to push this car out. Lord, pray for me. First, we gotta get that off the window though. Oh, Lord, 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 Lord. I said window, I meant windshield. It's still early, don't judge me. Lord, help me! I feel hecka bad, yo. Is what it is. Is what it is. I'm gonna just roll out with it. We're just gonna roll out with it. You guys hear how loud that is? We're gonna roll out with it. We're gonna roll out with it. Lord. Oh man, I know they started a petition to get rid of me. Because now I'm just rolling out with it throughout the apartment, waking everybody up. That's crazy. Lord, Lord, Lord. Today should be fun though. You guys remember when our under panel ripped a couple weeks ago? Well, you can actually feel it at higher speeds, which is so annoying. I don't know why Nissan made it that way, where this front bumper is so dependent on the under panel, where if it rips, you feel it in the car, or like the bumper starts to shake. And in some cases, if you don't have it, it can actually mess the bumper up where you might need a new one. It's kind of annoying, but anyways, we're about 6 minutes out. We're in Ontario. Today should be a good day. So we made it to the destination. That's apparent, right? Now, the thing with a meetup at a gas station to cruise out, obviously there's gonna be other people that are on E85, and yeah, this is where our dilemma's at. So we just gotta find an open pump. Hopefully I'm on the way of this fool right here, but this truck is really in the way. That's what's really the problem right now. A man's in the GTR. He's being a real one, moving the G so we can actually put some E. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to this. So this destination is basically just going to be for like cruising out, right? So we have a bunch of cars. Cool thing is it's all mixed models, right? So it's not just Z's, you have pretty much everything, right? We got Kick's car out here. We got a BM. I think this is a 340i if I'm not mistaken. Got the M, GTI. Of course you have the Z's. Mr. Kickers. Looks clean though, bro. Love the way it looks on the weld. I need these seats. I need these seats, yo. Definitely next mod, I promise you guys. Now the cool thing about being in the IE is you get to see different cars, right? Like obviously we're all the way in SD, so I don't see some of these cars that are here. Nice car, man.
Thank you, bro.
It's clean like this was. You had a stun on us, no way. That's clean, I like that. We got the Z boys out here. Should be a cool little turnout today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and head out. We have an hour drive from here. Like I was telling, I think his name was Jim. I think his name is Jim. Lord, I hope his name is Jim. It'd have been the same thing of going to that meet from the house, because it's 2 hours from the house, or coming here then going there, because it's 2 hours from the house, but it was 1 hour here and then 1 hour to the meet. So same thing. Dude, you guys see that view though? Yo, that's sick. Yo, this is amazing. Yo, Yo, there's a cop up there that's swerving. I don't know what that means, but I don't want no part in that, yo. No part. I don't know why he's swerving. I don't know if it's because of us or if it's just like a coincidence. So we just got here. Kind of had all eyes on us when we pulled up. It's funny because I don't know where he's at. Oh, that guy right over there. I was like, is it okay if I park here? You know, like I don't know if I'm gonna be in the way or anything like that. He's like, oh yeah, park right here. You know, both you and Fresh Kicks are on the slick, so I'll have you park right here and he parks right next to you. So your man's really has to go to the bathroom, but there's a line, so we're just gonna walk around. I'll show you guys some of the cars that we have here, and then hopefully that line clears up when we're done. This has to be, so far, one of my personal favorites. This thing looks absolutely crazy, dog. Yo. That is crazy. Alright, we gotta get this back view. Dang, I saw this thing pulling up and I was like, yo, I gotta check this thing out. We got Evo 8, boys. I'm thinking it's the Evo 8, if I'm not mistaken. I wonder what that button does. I got questions, yo. No, we definitely gotta own an Evo one day. I'd prefer Evo 9, but I think I still take an Evo 8. Yo, that thing looks crazy. I don't know what it is. These are clean though. No matter how put out people might say they are, they're still clean. That turbo this GTR, I don't know what it is about it, but it's looking clean. Is that paint or wrap? It looks like it's an off-white. Yo, we got the new 5.0. You guys see it? Let me know what you think about it. How do you feel about it? You guys like it? You don't like it? You like the rear end? You like the taillights? You like the wing? How you feel about it? I love these wheels. I'm not gonna lie to you. All digital dash, bro. That's literally like a flat screen. It's crazy. They kept the 6-speed in it. Maybe it'll grow on me. Yo, perfect duo.
Posted up with you, brother.
What's up?
Posted up with you.
Oh yeah, I know, right? It's sick. This is what we call that awkward moment when you pull up and you got all eyes on you. It's a clean duo though, my man.
They hate when you elevate. They stacking up losses, I'm handing them out, yeah, I had to go delegate. It feel like I'm floating, I'm lost in the moment, I swear I could levitate. They never believed that I would really fly, I had to go demonstrate. I had to set them straight. They hate when you elevate.
I know this thing feels crazy, yo. I mean, some of these cars don't weigh a lot, but it's like a full-on race car, bro. We got the hydro, he got them buttons. I really love that little plaque that he has right there that says 180X. I don't know too much, but I thought the 180X was right-hand drive. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. Yo, check out the license plate on this. Little hey. I almost traded the STN for a Mustang. I think I told you guys that story. So this is the GT350. I almost traded in for a GT, but I would take a GT350 all day. But ultimately, the GT500 is the go-to. I absolutely love this. No way this fool is on the road of forms, yo. CTSV wagon, and it's a manual. No way, yo. I absolutely love this. I would take this over a lot of cars, I would say. Manual V. So we got this 5.0, right? Got his hood popped. Blue interior, pretty clean. Got carbon fiber. This fool said I spent $6,000 on my exhaust. Y'all gonna see it. Full titanium. That's pretty cool. It's just funny to me how he brought the mirror out. And behold, we have a sleeper Civic. Is this a Civic or a Accord? Did they badged it? I'm assuming it's a Civic, a 4-door Civic. Could be wrong, but these be the type of cars that you gotta watch out for because it looks, you know, not the best, but pull up on you and it will literally gap you. Pull not slick, that's why you ain't got a grill. We get it. Moment of truth.
I'll be broke too.
Go to the shop there, but it's spinning.
Still spinning for you.
At the time. So it's not the turbo.
Oh, thank God.
Like a little bit.
What's going on is, I guess on his way here, he was trying to do a pull with like a Hellcat, and the car was bogging, and then basically wasn't hitting boost. So now he's trying to figure out what's going on. Turbo's not seized, so pipe has to be off somewhere. Kick's got a crowd of people waiting outside to see what's up. Still can't figure it out though. It's not making sense. Hey man, just know if you ever want to sell those seats, you know.
Extra ones, but I can't sell them.
What do you mean you can't sell them?
For the G.
Oh my God. I don't know if they're supposed to know that or not, but oh okay. I can't decide if I want to do because these are the Jukes, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to do the Jukes or the V2 Nismos.
I prefer the Jukes.
Yeah, just because the black.
A little different. And just,
I'm gonna be honest. The only reason why I want the V2s is something simple. The Nismo sign is on the headrest.
yeah.
But I mean, I don't know if that's worth like,
Yeah.
you know. I don't know. I just like the way they look though. Yo, that sounds so good. I've actually had people ask me, would I ever get a single? I would if I didn't live in California. I'll catch you later. Yes, sir.
thanks for coming, bro.
Yeah, no worries. All right, guys, so we are about to head out. So we actually ran into a supporter. We're actually going to K1 Speeds right now. He's gonna give me a discount.
I actually left work. I'm on the clock just to come meet this guy. So
That's freaking crazy.
dedication.
That's freaking crazy, bro. Again, thank you for watching.
Of course. man.
Appreciate you,
Of
bro.
course.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived. So we are going to be doing a course with our boy Javier. I believe that's his name. We got him over there. Yo, I haven't been to a K1 Speed in years, yo, so I'm excited. I didn't catch it, but that fool hit that wall so damn hard. Excuse my language. Yeah. You see that thing in his hand over there? It flew off, bro. Oh my God. Bro, he hit that wall hella hard. To the point where, look, like all the workers are coming over to see if he's good. I didn't catch it because I didn't expect him to do it. But God. That has to be my biggest fear is crashing. I don't want to be that guy. All right, so we're about to race right now. I didn't bring my GoPro. Obviously, I didn't know I was gonna do this. Yeah, I wish I can show you guys this track and like how I'm most likely gonna crash. No, I'm just kidding. But of course, we gotta put the camera up. But just know that we're racing Javier, and I'm definitely gonna win. Update, I didn't beat him, but major shout out to my boy Javier. Yo, that was, I haven't been racing, like go-kart racing in years. So to come here and do it, and literally he like showed hospitality at his job was absolutely insane. Like when we arrived, there were workers, like his coworkers came out, shook my hand, introduced themselves, right? I felt like, I don't know, I felt like I was the president. Walked in, everybody saying hi, was hella nice, all that stuff. So major shout out to him. I appreciate it 100%. And we will definitely be back. I don't know if it's gonna be at this location because it's pretty far away from home, but we will definitely be back at a K1 Speed because it's kind of addicting, to be honest. I have a 3-hour drive home, yo. A 3-hour drive home. But let me say this. It was worth every second. I do not regret getting up at 6 a.m. and driving 2 hours at all. 100% worth it. And I'm glad I did it. And I do it again. So I'm currently at home and it was raining on my way home, right? So I had to turn on my hazards, make sure that I was safe because you guys know we have drag slicks in the rear and they're not supposed to get wet. You're not supposed to drive them in the rain at all, right? Well, I'm trying to get in my garage and because of the fact that the slicks are wet, I can't get in because they're slipping. Let's see if I can show you guys. I was able to get in that time, but I tried 2 times and it just kept slipping. Perfect. And we are home sweet home. Man, 3 hours later, I am exhausted. I'm hungry, I'm thirsty. I gotta go to the bathroom. But I would 100% do it all over again, bro. It was so worth it. It was definitely a good turnout. Again, thank you guys for supporting me, really, bro. I mean, it was absolutely insane the amount of love I felt today. It was crazy, just unheard of, unheard of. Hung out with Kicks for a little bit today. We had a conversation that, I'm not gonna say what it was, I'll keep that between us, but little does he know it helped me out tremendously. You guys can probably see how tired I am in my eyes. Like, I'm freaking drained. I'm not like sleepy tired, I just, my body feels exhausted because I've been up since like 6 o'clock today. But I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay safe, and stay tuned.
Whoa! Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like.